Hi everybody, it's Son from Liz Crush Designs. Look, I got everything set out and everything. These are the cups that I made a few videos back. I'll link that above. In that video, I believe I did the cups and the mold that the lemons are on. Those are so cute. I could see so many things with those. So the cups I did out of polyurethane resin, and then this is epoxy resin, and I did that epoxy resin to keep it flat as much as possible. That's hard for me to say for some reason. Possible. Oh, I'm gonna leave that on a second. I've got these gorgeous little coffee cakes, tea cakes, whatever you want to call them. So, those are cute. Cute. And I've also got, this is a frothy Starbucks. I don't drink coffee, or I don't drink anything from Starbucks. I don't know if they do a hot chocolate. The closest Starbucks to us is in Decatur, so it's like 30 miles to go get a Starbucks. I don't know how I'm gonna go that on. If I'm gonna worry about the Starbucks showing or not, I don't know. Okay, got a little cup. This is the Adirondack, some color. I don't know what color it is. It doesn't say what color it is. It's really old. Okay, I've got that alcohol ink for UV resin. Oh my goodness. That's to do our hot... You know how coffee, you can have a dark coffee, you can have a light coffee, you can have a coffee with cream, you know. Okay, I'm going to go for a kind of a lighter coffee or tea color and do a hot tea, hot coffee with lemon. And then I made some ice cubes. I love these ice cubes. So cute. Okay, so I did the ice cubes. And then there are seed beads in there. And then some heart-shaped confetti. It's polymer clay confetti. It's not like glitter or anything, so it's really cute. I think I'll get a little more of the confetti and sprinkle around the cakes too. So what I'm gonna do is mix up for the coffee color, tea color. Put that on and cure it, okay? And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to put a top edge of, this is a oil paint marker. I'm going to do that, and maybe a little swirl down below or something. And then I'm going to glue these lemons down, I believe. I want to glue the lemons down. And then I'll put the rest of it in a shaker filler, okay? Then I'll do the top UV resin, then I'll put on the cakes and the coffee, okay? Is that everything? Did I remember everything? Oh my goodness. I can't believe I had everything ready, really. I'm gonna mix up our coffee color and do that first. I'll be back. I'm not gonna mix it up off camera. Okay, now I've got a little bit of UV resin in the cup. Just the smallest bit. Whoa. Have 2 drops when you're so not ready. That is like exactly the color I was talking about. Just a light coffee color or tea color. That is perfect. It's perfect. Now let's see how much of it we can get out. I'm gonna employ a different. This is also a silicone tool. Okay, I want it at the bottom half. Now, this time we got enough to move around. You will always get that stray piece of glitter you don't want somehow. Alright. Oh, I can still see one. That is a good color. Every time. I get it on me. Every time. Put your glasses on. Okay. Now I'm going to do I'm gonna wipe a couple of those off with a Q-tip. I'll be back because I gotta find the Q-tip. Oh well, those will be under the lemon anyway. That is cute. Every time I gotta clean that lid off. But let's put them somewhere we think they might go first. I'm thinking about putting that on the top actually, and just putting one down in. Let's do that. Okay. Now I'm gonna put in the ice cubes. Now the only thing about these ice cubes is that you have to make sure they're facing up. There's a definite up face and down face to the resin pieces. Alright, now I've got those ice cubes in. Now I can pour the rest. Of the filler in. Perfect. Now when I do these, I do them dry shakers. I don't add any liquid. Don't add any liquid. Now, I'm going to put a bit in here. Take this off. Put my glass back on. And I'm going to coat this rim with a continual line of this UV resin. Okay, I'm just going to keep going all the way around. Okay, now this is the part that a lot of people freak out about. It's the top coating. Now you can put latex on the bottom, or you can put a white glue on the bottom and let that dry and form a protection against this top coat bleeding over. Now one like this, that's this big, I don't tend to do that, although I probably should. Okay, now I want to add this lemon. Right there. Okay. I don't mind too much where that UV resin is leaking out there. That one. That. And that one. Okay, this is just the set of polymer clay sprinkles where these are the hearts that I used. Yeah. It'll be dangerous, Lynn. Just to put the regular sprinkles because they're so tiny. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, this whole set of these is going to be totally have to be decorative, but cute. Alright, on the next one, the last one, I will, we'll do that one. We'll do the last one, and then I'll show them all together with the, coaster holder. Alright? Thank y'all so much for watching. The mold did come, like I was saying before the camera rudely cut me off. The molds are from Temu. They come with the lemons and the ice cubes. They also have coffee beans and boba, whatever they are also. I believe the filler charms just came from Amazon and are listed in my Amazon shop list. Alright. So cute! Thank y'all so much for watching. I had fun with this one. Please like, share, and subscribe. Like everybody's video you watched. Like this one too. Bye for now.